Symptoms of a bad blower motor resistor. A blower motor resistor, to put it simply, is an electrical component that has the ability to prevent current from entering the blower fan motor. By increasing the resistance, the fan won't spin as fast, which reduces the amount of hot or cold air that is circulated around the cabin. You can alter the path that energy takes via the blower motor resistor on its way to the blower motor by turning the fan speed knob from one setting to another. But what happens when this component goes bad? Let's find out. 1. Various airflow settings will not be working. It's worth noting that while the fan may function properly in some settings, you may find that it doesn't work in others. Specifically, the blower motor resistor isn't needed when the system is turned off or when the blower motor is set to run at full speed. However, in other settings, the resistor is necessary to regulate the flow. It's important to consider that the blower motor switch could also be contributing to this issue. As a result, it may be necessary to get a second diagnosis to identify the problematic component. 2. The blower motor will only work on one speed. The majority of modern heaters and air conditioners have adjustable fan speeds. The fan setting needs to be simple for you to select. However, the blower motor becoming stuck on one setting is one of the most typical signs of a faulty blower motor resistor. The resistor can be an issue if you are unable to remove the motor from a high or low position. 3. There won't be any air coming from vents. You might not be able to get any air to come out of the vents when the resistor fails. The blower motor resistor regulates the power going to the blower motor in the system. It may shut off all power to the motor if it malfunctions. Air pressure cannot be produced if the blower motor is not powered. The only thing left is a heater or air conditioner, with no air escaping the vents. 4. Intermittent or inconsistent fan speed. You may only be able to get one option or a specific speed to operate, as we've already explained. However, there is also a chance that the system will occasionally go wrong. As a result, it's possible that you have excessive air pressure for a minute before it stops. These irregular problems point to an electrical issue or a problem with the blower motor resistor. And that is all for this video. If you start to notice one or more of the discussed symptoms, it could be a sign that your car's blower motor resistor is having a problem and should be rectified immediately. Before you leave, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like and share the video. Until next time, drive safe.